In today's video, I'll show you how to create custom error pages in Cloudflare so you can replace standard error messages with a more helpful experience for your website visitors. If you're new to custom error pages, they allow you to display your own design or message when visitors encounter issues like blocked access or unavailable pages. First, sign in to your Cloudflare account and open the dashboard. Select the website where you want to customize error pages. Next, go to the Custom Pages section from your Cloudflare settings. This is where you can manage different pages shown during specific situations. Now choose the type of error page you want to customize. Depending on your available features, you may be able to create pages for security challenges, blocked requests, or other error responses. After selecting an error page, create your custom design. You can add your own message, branding elements, and helpful instructions for visitors. Make sure the page clearly explains what happened and provides guidance on what users can do next. Once your custom page is ready, save your changes and enable the new configuration. Now test the page by triggering the related error condition or using a safe testing method to confirm that it appears correctly. If the page doesn't display as expected, review your settings and make sure the custom page is assigned to the correct error type. A well-designed error page can make your website feel more professional and help visitors understand the next step instead of leaving immediately. And that's how you create custom error pages in Cloudflare. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.